Are you frustrated by painful, dry, and irritated skin after waxing in winter? You're not alone. Mistake number 1. Waxing on dry, dehydrated skin. Dry skin is your worst enemy in winter. Dry skin equals bad waxing results. Solution: hydrate with a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer before waxing. Drink plenty of water. Hydration starts from within. Avoid heavy oils right before waxing, as they can block wax from dripping. Number 2. Using the wrong type of wax. Soft wax vs hard wax. Not all waxes are created equal, especially in winter. Best wax for winter: hard wax. Solution: use hard wax. It's gentler on dry, sensitive winter skin. Look for aloe vera or chamomile infused wax for extra soothing benefits. Number 3. Waxing too soon after a hot shower. Hot shower before waxing. That's a big mistake. Hot showers equals more pain and redness. Solution: wait at least 30 minutes after a shower before waxing. Use lukewarm water instead of steaming hot. Number 4. Skipping exfoliation before waxing. Wax on unexfoliated vs exfoliated skin. Failing to exfoliate causes uneven waxing and more ingrown hairs. No exfoliation equals more ingrown hairs. Solution: gently exfoliate 24 hours before waxing with a sugar scrub or dry brush. Avoid exfoliating immediately before waxing to prevent irritation. Number 5. Not prepping your skin. Cold weather tightens your skin, making waxing tougher. Solution: apply a pre-wax oil to soften skin. Wax in a warm room to prevent skin tightening. Number 6. Pulling the wax strip incorrectly. Even the best wax won't work if you pull it wrong. Always pull parallel to skin. Solution: always pull the strip parallel to your skin, not upward. Hold skin taut to minimize pain. Number 7. Not doing a patch test in winter. Winter can make your skin more sensitive. Always patch test first. Solution: apply wax on a small area 24 hours before full waxing to check for reactions. Number 8. Using wax that's too hot or too cold. The right temperature makes all the difference. Too hot equals burns. Too cold equals no grip. Solution: test wax on your wrist first before applying it. Use a wax warmer to keep it at the right consistency. Mistake number 9. Ignoring post-wax hydration. Winter air steals moisture from your skin. Don't skip hydration. Post-wax moisturizer equals happy skin. Solution: number 10. Wearing tight clothing after waxing. Tight clothes rub and irritate freshly waxed skin. Say no to tight clothes after waxing. Solution: wear loose, breathable fabrics like cotton. Number 11. Waxing too frequently. More waxing doesn't mean better results. It can damage your skin. Best waxing schedule: every 3-4 weeks. Solution: wait until hair is at least a quarter inch before waxing again. Mistake number 12. Skipping aftercare in cold weather. Cold weather makes skin extra sensitive. Aftercare is a must. Solution: use after wax oil or soothing serum. Avoid hot baths and workouts for 24 hours. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more.